Mamelodi Sundowns head coach Mikel Cardoso has offered an encouraging update on the recovery of star midfielder Themba Mshishi, revealing that the veteran is edging closer to a full return to action. Zwane, who has been sidelined since September after sustaining another knee injury shortly after returning from a lengthy layoff, has resumed light physical training. However, Cardoso emphasized that the technical team will not rush the 36-year-old back into competitive football and said he saw him today. The training session was open and he was working separately from the group, still not integrated into team training, which means he is not yet available for selection. At this stage, he is doing football-specific physical activities, but he still needs to regain full match fitness before he can return to play. The Sundowns mentor highlighted the importance of managing Zwane's recovery carefully, given his recent run of injuries. In September, had a knee injury that was followed by a second one, so we have to be extremely cautious if we want him to play consistently this season. For both Sundowns and potentially Bafana Bafana, we must ensure he's properly healed. With the Africa Cup of Nations set to kick off in December in Morocco, Cardoso was asked if Zwane could feature for Hugo Bross's national team squad. While the final decision rests with Bross, the Portuguese tactician expressed his personal hope to see the experienced playmaker represent South Africa on the continental stage and said, "If you ask about my wishes, I'd love to see Themba go. We have great love and respect for him. Despite his age, he still has the passion, energy, and desire to play at the highest level. That's what keeps him performing at the top standard." Cardoso added that Sundowns' technical, medical, and performance departments are united in their mission to help Zwane return stronger than ever, and said, "Our job now is to guide him back into competition step by step. Once he's fit, I have no doubt he'll continue to contribute to both Mamelodi Sundowns and Bafana Bafana." Sundowns face Orlando Pirates in a highly anticipated, sold-out league encounter this weekend, a clash Zwane will unfortunately miss. However, with his recovery progressing well, the prospect of Mshishi's return later this season remains a bright one for both the club and the country. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.